Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I had posted a family photo with our friends on Instagram a day back. We were invited for dinner at our friend's place and had a great time spending together. I don't know if you remember seeing them in a vlog I guess posted 3 years back on our trip to UK. We were with them to roam around in London. To be very honest, it's from them I learned how to treat your guests the best way. So they are one of my inspirations in life. I think I've said this before, treat your guests the way how you want to be treated by others. And I have learned that from them, or even more, and in the most comforting way. They stay jointly with their mother and brother's family, and must say, all were so welcoming, and we feel really good to spend more time when we see such a family. We had dinner, spent some time outside in the lawn, and we left back home late night. And that was an amazing dinner night. Now what you have seen was taken a day back. A week back, they had come to our home for a stayover. I was having a super busy schedule that day. Kids had exams in the morning, had a Zoom meeting with ATP in the afternoon. If you're following me on Instagram, you would know about that, and many of you had joined to have such a great interaction. So they would be reaching evening time. I was not able to capture each moment that day as it was a hurry-burry day. Tried to take glimpses here and there, and the dinner that I cooked for them. They were coming evening time and I wanted to finish off all the cooking before that. I hate when I'm still in the kitchen and not able to sit or welcome my guests the way I want. So I plan accordingly, try to finish the kitchen works and all the cleaning. Because I don't want my guests to see my messy house or messy kitchen. The first impression you need to create when your guests come home is a clean and tidy place for them to have with you. In my previous video on the Diwali sweets, one of the sweets I had shown was prepared when they came, and that was done previous night. To get the recipe, please do check the description box. Had prepared few snacks and kept that ready earlier so that I could serve them as soon as they reach. One of the dishes for dinner was beef spaghetti, and for the beef masala you will have to cook the beef adding some spices and other ingredients. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, garam masala powder and coconut oil. Mix well. Cook on high-medium flame till first whistle. Then keep it low and cook for 20 minutes. In between my finger got cut and it was from a sharp edge. It was quite a deep cut and had to quickly roll a cotton cloth thickly around. I was also preparing chicken mandi. For both the recipes, I needed sliced onion. I use my food processor when I have less time and more quantity to cook. My husband and kids had gone for buying few groceries and they were back after some time. And look, I have a helper to clean the dishes. I don't know why, but maybe seeing my cut finger, Arman insisted that he will do the dishes. I thought it might not be clean, but to my surprise, he was doing it well but slowly. I think the current generation believes in gender equality, and any lessons on such begins from our home. There is no such task at home which is for a particular gender. I am the only female in our small family. The rest are boys, and my boys helps me very well, be it my husband or my kids. And I sometimes feel sad to see that there are still some people in our culture thinking that the whole house chores are meant only for the females in our home. It might be difficult to change the mindset of the older generation, where the elders, even in mine and my husband's family, can't accept the fact of men coming into the kitchen. It's like a shame in those periods, and I don't think we can blame them now. But let's at least teach our boys in this generation. I think it's for their own good. They grow up and leave home for their bright career. And alongside, they will have to live on their own sometimes without any help. Especially for their laundry. Not always it's possible to spend money on food. They will have to cook on their own sometimes. So all these need to be taught at a younger age. And this also goes for the young girls. Be it boy or girl, basic lessons are important for anyone. For the chicken mandi, heat some olive oil and add some whole spices. Mix for a few seconds and add sliced onion. Saute till it's soft and translucent. Meanwhile, the spaghetti is cooked right. Pouring some filtered water on top. Now for the spaghetti, heat some oil. Here I mix some coconut oil as well. Saute crushed ginger and garlic. Let the raw smell leave. Meantime, over to the mandi. The onion is soft and cooked well. Add chicken pieces and mix well. Let the chicken change the color from pink to pale. Till then, keep covered on low flame. Arman had his tuitions in between, so he left the dishwashing and joined for his tuition. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone, add sliced onion and saute. Add tomatoes and mix well. Here for extra taste, I'm adding chicken cubes, but it's optional. I had once prepared mandi in Saudi style in another video, do check that out. Adding some tomato paste. Then goes in crushed ginger garlic. Mix everything well. Let the raw smell of ginger garlic go and let the chicken cook for some time. Make sure you keep on low-medium flame and cover it. The tomatoes here are soft now. Time to add the cooked beef. Mix really well. There's enough gravy in it, so letting it evaporate a bit before mixing in the spaghetti. Time to add hot water into the chicken. If you get too much water from the chicken, make sure you add more accordingly. Here for me it was not much, so added water double the amount of rice. And the rice that I had soaked for some time was the Mandi rice and not basmati. So added more water than I would need when I use basmati. Let that boil and let the chicken cook well in the water. Meantime here, it's time to add the spaghetti. Mix really well. Keeping it covered on low flame till all the flavors are packed well. The chicken over here is cooked and remove all the chicken pieces from it. Into the stock goes in soaked and drained Mandi rice. Mix and keep on high flame till it boils, and then simmer till the water is completely gone. This is almost getting ready. Forgot to chop in some coriander leaves in the Mandi. And over here too. Time to fry the chicken pieces. To add an extra kick to it, I added a mix of red chili powder and turmeric powder to the heated olive oil. Make sure flame is really low or else it can burn. Fry the chicken pieces in it. Now if you want, you may also grill it. Meanwhile here, my boy was preparing salad as per my instructions. To get the recipe, do check my another vlog I had published a week back, I guess. The link will be in the description box. There is also a tiny guest coming home, so considering him, I had reduced the spices used in the dishes, and keeping in mind I fried few chicken pieces without the spices. I cooked the spaghetti specially for him because kids love noodles kind of dishes, be it the string hoppers we prepare for breakfast. Unfortunately, only after they came home, I came to know that he is allergic to coconut oil, and I had mixed coconut oil in the spaghetti dish. Really sad that I couldn't serve it to him, but he enjoyed the Mandi. My helper is back with cleaning the dishes. Don't forget to give a mix to the Mandi in between. Chicken was done and keeping it covered till needed. He wanted me to take a video and send to my elder brother in Qatar. Both my kids are very close to him and they miss him very badly. Mandi is done and I quickly did the rest of the cleaning. Had no time to shoot. They were already on their way and I had to be super fast. Moreover, I had to get fresh too. And there they came. There are people in our life who can make you always smile and laugh till your tummy aches. He is one among them. Or I rather say, he is the only person in the gang who makes me giggle a lot. And I know he does so to see us laughing. He is Mr. Riyas, and his wife Jesi is a perfect pair he could get. She is a calm person. As soon as he stepped in, their son was too excited seeing my camera, and he started playing with it. I was so petrified of that and kept it away. I had to vlog from my camera. Moreover, Jessie wasn't very comfortable on camera, so didn't want to discomfort her with all-time vlogging. Hence, it would be snippets here and there. Later, the men went for badminton and they came home very late. So the rest of us had our dinner earlier and served them later. We slept quite late after kids went to sleep, had some very good time chatting and sharing memories. Morning had our breakfast and again more time chit-chatting. And that was a refreshing day for us having them at home. We wanted them to stay for more time, but unfortunately they couldn't as they had other engagements for the afternoon. So they left home by 10. And that's all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up and do try the recipes as well. Stay safe everyone. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.